May research subject na kayo pero hindi mo alam kung saan nahanap ng research topic? Don't worry, I got you. I am Gerald Chu and this is Research Tutorial. Yes, I am back. I am Gerald Chu and I make content for research beginners to make research more fun and friendly. Actually, yung paghahanap ng research topic ang isa sa pinakamahirap na part ng research process kasi hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula. But here are some of my tips and hacks para makapag-develop ka ng sarili mong research topic. So yung pinakauna na dapat mong gawin is to choose a topic na sobrang interesado mo or invested ka doon. So pwedeng sa field of medicine, engineering, life science, humanities, social study. Pwede ka rin pumili ng mga isyong panlipunan katulad ng kahirapan, edukasyon, diskriminasyon, equality, etc. So ngayon, research mo itong topic na ito at humanap ka ng studies na pumukaw talaga dun sa attention mo at parang may gusto ka pang mas malaman tungkol dun sa topic na yon. Pwede rin at the very least na nagustuhan mo yung construction ng research title niya at ganun din yung klase ng research na gusto mong gawin. So ngayon, kapag nahanap mo na yung study na yon, we can actually proceed with our hack number 1. You can actually change the variables of that research topic. So for example, yung nahanap mo na research is about yung effect ng guava fruit sa isang klase ng bacteria. So kung papalitan mo yung variables, pwede mong palitan yung imbes na guava fruit ay gawin mong guava leaves or palitan mo yung target na bacteria na gusto mong aralin. In that sense, meron ka na ngayong sarili mong research topic. Just make sure na hindi pa existing itong research topic na napili mo. For the next hack, you can actually check the research recommendations. So, itong research recommendations ay usually makikita sa may conclusion part. And ito yung suggestions ng mga researchers or authors ng study na yon na pwedeng aralin ng mga future researchers who are planning to explore the same topic. So, dito sinasabi nila na itry nyo yung ganitong species, i-explore nyo yung ganito niyang properties, or gumamit kayo ng ibang methods among others. Next hack, you can change the scope of a study. For example, may nahanap ka na isang research na ina-explore yung marketing strategies ng mga online sellers, pero sa ibang bansa ginawa yung study na yon. So, pwede mo ngayon siyang gawing local. Pwede mo i-explore yung marketing strategies ng online sellers sa lugar ninyo to make it local. And ayan, may topic ka na. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more research tips. Good luck!